Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Toyota Supra and this is by Hotwheels and this is from the Silver Line series, which is 299 series. And this is from, the Brino Corner series from Fast and the Furious movie. And okay, so this came in, I think only to North India it came, it seems, because a lot of things are getting scalped there itself. We are not getting anything in Chennai. To be very honest with you guys, I'm really sorry to say this. So whenever I am checking with my contacts, they always say it is already splitted in Mumbai or somewhere around the surroundings. So we are not getting anything in Chennai or in any of the South Indian part. Even I can see a lot of sellers who are actually giving me these things. They are all from North India. So they are not even one person is actually getting this in South India. So if you guys, if any of the distributor here watching this video, or if you have the dealers watching this video, just my suggestion would be, see, these are toys first of all. So just, I mean, personally I'm not a fan of Hot Wheels. I'm really frank about that. I love brands like Tomica and premium brands only. The only reason I'm doing Hot Wheels is to keep people engaged, and I want them to understand what's good, what's not, and whether they can invest their money or not. That's the only reason I started getting things from my friends and all to unbox, because I don't want to honestly waste so much of my money on Hot Wheels alone. That too much, because this one he bought it for 600 rupees per piece, but the MRP is around 299. So if this is coming, I mean, as expected to, I mean, every region in India, so at least, even if I'm not getting it, at least some other collectors will get it, right, for MRP. Honestly, man, it is making me really furious nowadays. So the scalpers are the main reason, the hobby is sucking really bad. So I hope a lot of scalpers will be watching this right now. For all of you guys, you can take this. So with that said, okay, let's unbox this one. Okay, one more thing I wanted to say, because this casting, this was given to me by my friend Freddy. So this is his casting. He didn't give it to me. He wanted me to unbox it. So that's what I'm going to do now. So let me. Okay, he wanted to do it from this way. So let's see if I can able to do that. I never actually tried in the opposite direction, but that is the first time for everything. Okay. I think we can take it out now. Okay. Man, I'm really glad I didn't. Okay, pull it out. Okay, let me put this card aside. Okay, so here is the casting. So out of the box, the casting looks, I mean, as usual, average, to be very honest. It has paint bubbling here, as you can see. And think about it, guys. You are paying, I mean, if you are buying this for MRP, I'm saying you are paying 299 for this, just to get the rear, the tail light details and all. But still everything is painted. There is no acrylic headlights or anything. So it has headlight details, which is again painted on. The logo placement is good. It has the grill details here, which is nice. So it has a little bit of chassis detailing here. That is also really nice. And this is full metal body and plastic chassis, and it has taillight details as well. You can see here. So it has exhaust details here, which is really nice. I mean, these are really nice. I'm not going to say no, but the price point is not really nice. By MRP itself, this should have been placed around 199. Like the majority ones, and the 179 ones must be placed somewhere around 100 or 199, if you ask me, not more than that. Mattel is, I mean, I agree. Mattel is not exactly pricing the same. I mean, placing the same pricing for other countries. I know about that. In other countries, if the the MRP is still around the same, like I think $1.50, if I'm not wrong. But I can say, being being in India, our government is really greedy and all. I mean, what can I say? Even children's toys are nowadays expensive. Okay, it has a door handles here, which is really nice. It doesn't feel that much heavy. So the rims are actually pretty standard rims. It is not, unique or anything. So it is a bit heavy, maybe around 30 grams, 27 to 30 grams, I guess. Let's see. Okay, 31 grams, not bad. Okay, so let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls good. Okay, it does have a little wheel wobble, but it is negligible at this point, because it rolls really well. You can see the front wheel wobbles a little bit, but again, it rolls really well. It does perform well in track. That is good enough, to be honest. If I'm going to keep this car, I mean, I do have a Supra again. The orange color one, I do have that. I did unbox that a year back. So it is the same casting. I do have this exact casting in that recent green version, green with that black flaming, tribal flaming livery. So this is exactly the same casting, and there is no difference in the just coming under the name of Fast and the Furious. That's it. You can't even see any licensing here, from the movie franchise one. And like they usually mention either Warner Brothers or something, right? There is nothing mentioned here. I don't think every other car actually has that. I need to recheck my that Fast and the Furious cars. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.